All right, Agency Elephant user, welcome to the first space, the Auto No Home campaign. We are going to be showing you how to import your Auto No Home list straight into automation and making sure that we are X-dating that individual regardless if you know their their home X-date or not, because we are trying to cross-sell our auto policy into their homeowner's policy. First thing you're going to need to do is understand how to use Excel spreadsheets in Google Sheet, okay? So I'm going to jump over into my Google Sheets here, and I am going to actually go into Google Drive. This will be the best place to put this. And I am going to drag over a list into Google Drive. This is a CSV. And here's what we're going to do, okay? We are going to work on making sure our list looks like it needs to for Agency Elephant, okay? We need to have all categories segmented out. All of them segmented out into first name, last name, mobile, email, X-date. If you don't know the X-date, make it up, okay? If you've got a ton of opportunity, I would segment these X-dates or make them up so that they spread throughout the year, okay? Now that we have our list, it's cleaned up, first name, last name, mobile, email, and X-date. If you are like some users who like to write all capitals into their client field, and when you download your lists, they look like this, please make sure that you title case those. It is very simple, okay? You're going to insert a space to the right, and let's say that just for you to have a visual here to make sure this works correctly, you're going to have multiple people stacked down below, right? I want to title case Matthew, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say equal signs proper, use a parentheses, A2, because I'm trying to title case my A column, row 2. As soon as I hit enter, it is going to title case that. Sometimes it will suggest to autofill and you can hit enter. If that does not happen, you can double click this blue box in the corner and it will title case that. Okay, so let's do that over here. We're going to go equals proper, parentheses, this one's C2 because it's column C, row 2. We need to get Han to title case. Once that's done, double click this blue box and we're good to go, okay? So now that that is done, I am going to show you how to import this list, okay? First thing you're going to do is download this into a CSV. You're going to drag this to your desktop to make sure that you can find it or it's accessible. Next thing you're going to do is go to the import lead section, okay? We're going to put these people into customers. We're going to put these people into Auto No Home because that triggers the automation of the Auto No Home automation, okay? Next, I always like to tag these people auto policies so that I can find them in the slew of my customers, as well as we are going to create an Auto No Home event reminder campaign on the board. So we're going to set ourselves up for success by doing that. Here's the CSV that I just downloaded. We're going to upload that here. I do not need to scrub it because they're my clients. I do not need to mobile verify, but I can, so I'm going to do this. As soon as that is done, it's going to take me to the fields I'm importing. I don't want to import this field because that field was all capitals, so I'm going to move that to select. I do want to import this field as the first name, and I don't want to import that one as the last name because it's all capitals. I want to import this one. This is going to be my mobile. This is going to be my email. As you see, they're already picked. And this one is going to be my expiration date, okay? If you are an older built for you client and you do not have this spell out expiration, yours is just X date, okay? So now I'm going to hit submit, and I am going to do append because I don't want to change any existing data. I just want to pre-fill if it's there. I am going to hit submit. As soon as that is done, it's going to tell me this, and I am going to wait for this system to catch up. As soon as that happens, I will be able to see this little flag change from a 0 to a 1, okay? What I like to do is I like to go into my tool section, go to the drip that I was triggering, which was Auto No Home, all the way at the bottom here, and I hit this plus sign, and when I go into this drip, I'm going to be able to see here, let me move my face out of the way, this little eyelet button. It's going to tell me all of the texts that are processed and waiting. So here we can see on 114, it is waiting to process the one lead I imported, which was Matt. Okay, that was myself. So as soon as that processes, This is going to change to a 1, which it just did, and you can see it processed. 1 was sent out. 0-day interval was sent out to the Auto Know Home to Matt. And that's a wrap. I'll see you at the next square.